Best practices for Kubernetes security. Kubernetes is a popular container orchestration platform used by many organizations to manage their containerized applications. However, like any other software platform, Kubernetes is not immune to security threats. In this video, we will discuss some of the key best practices you need to follow to ensure the security of your Kubernetes environment. The Kubernetes API is the entry point to your Kubernetes cluster. You need to secure it by using strong authentication and authorization mechanisms. 1. Use RBAC. Role-based access control. RBAC is a powerful tool that enables you to control access to Kubernetes resources. You should use RBAC to ensure that only authorized users have access to your cluster. 2. Use network policies. Network policies allow you to define how your Kubernetes pods communicate with each other. You can use network policies to restrict traffic between pods and ensure that only the necessary traffic is allowed. 3. Use secure container images. Make sure that the container images you use in your Kubernetes environment are free from vulnerabilities and are up to date. 4. Use TLS. Transport Layer Security. TLS is a critical security measure that you should use to encrypt traffic between your Kubernetes components. Kubernetes is a powerful platform for managing containerized applications, but it is not immune to security threats. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Kubernetes environment is secure and protected against potential attacks. Thank you for watching this video on Kubernetes security, and for more such information, subscribe to our channel.